very well turn right around.
I want cheese.
You want cheese? I know I gotta go get you some string cheese.
Because
You don't want your, you didn't drink your Sunny D. Got Sunny D right here. You got Sunny D right there. Which one you want?
Well, y'all got some more in the bottle. Shit.
Exactly. Stay out the Sunny D's in my room. Get out.
I just thought you said Draco one like an hour ago.
That's what he said. He ain't lying when I asked him. I said, you want? I just had a Sunny D upstairs in your room. I'm trying to keep them. If we can keep them away from him, reserve them for NIT time, we can help him go to SWEP.
I know.
You asked? Who you asked?
Nobody.
You ain't asked me. I won't hear. You asked your sister? Which one? Khalees.
He knew one in the
Because
kitchen.
the only person named who ain't here, I hate it.
What you say, son?
He's smart. He know Khalees ain't in here.
So if I ask Khalees, she gonna tell me she gave you permission.
Mm.
Where you going?
You heard that earlier.
You want me to open it?
That's the wrong brother.
You gonna eat the cheese by itself? What you gonna do with it? No, you're not putting it in my bowl. Sir, we know you're not helping me cook. Not tonight. I was like, what you I'm gonna put it in that chicken. What the hell you not? You can eat it
I
if
didn't
you want
say he
to.
kept saying he wants some cheese.
Yeah. Nobody say no about you putting it in my chicken. No, you gonna eat your cheese as it is. You better not put that cheese in my motherfucking chicken. I'm trying to tell you.
Yes, I will.
I'm on yes and beat your ass.
Mm.
Yes,
You
I
want
will.
Yeah, yes, you want your SBE.
No!
Stop. Sound like you want your SBE. You
Sincere.
Then don't fuck with my food, homie. We here? Is we here? Is we here? Cause if we ain't here, you about to be upset. But you about to be upset, baby boy.
I'm not a baby boy.
You are a baby boy.
No, I'm not.
You're a big boy? Yes, you are. Okay, you're a big boy. Well, big boy should know he ain't putting no cheese on my chicken. Huh? You want to get your ass beat. Because if you play around with my food and you do something I ask you not to, tonight going to be the night that I pull down your pants and your drawers and beat your naked raw ass. You want one of them ass whoopings? You laughing. You want to know what that feel like? Huh? Oh, all I can say is try me.
Sure, I'm not.
All I can say is,
I'm not saying that.
oh, okay.
I'm not saying that.
Because you ain't crazy. I know you ain't. You got plenty of sense, don't you?
No, I don't.
You should do. You smart, right?
No, I'm
You are smart. You had to think about it. You was going to say that. Change
He's
your
like, I
mind.
don't know what kind of answer you looking for. He's like, that must be a trick question.
Yeah,
I ain't got time for that shit.
I'm just going to stop talking.
not one.
Stop getting another cheese.
Are you going to eat? Now he's playing puzzle pieces because he has 3 pieces, so he can't make a perfect square. What I told you. That's also she told me I want to get them for the summer. Well, in Kentucky, baby, they not going to Kentucky. I thought me and your mama told you to start with.
I make a.
Sure, it's not coming to Kentucky, honey. You might as well stop trying. It sound cute over the phone.
It's
Sure enough, sound cute.
And then she done went and found this nigga and got back with, I don't know if she done got back with this nigga or what. But she waiting to hear about her project, not her project, her apartment. She waiting on her voucher inspection to come through. But she was like, I need the kids' information. I said, for what? She was like, 'cause I got a voucher. I said, the good thing about the voucher is you can add on and take off when need be. You're not getting the information. I said to put them on the voucher and I'm in public housing. What you doing?
Right.
nothing.
You right. Nothing at all. I was.
I work out.
What you make?
I don't know what's going on over there.
I said, what you make?
They already ate and I'm hungry. And I saw some people sitting in the car beside me eating the wings from Charlie's Steak and Cheese Hub. That boy was fucking the wings up. I was like, man, I want some wings. I walked past there, looked in the window. They want $10 for 6 wings. I said, no, I'm going to the grocery store.
Oh.
I paid $10. I got 2 packs of wings. Are you going to eat this? Are you going to eat any of this?
I'm speeding this around.
I'm about to sit in this chair. Young man, have you had your night meds? Has anybody given him his night medication? Well, drink this.
No one didn't give me.
Drink this. Drink your Sunny D. You know, you say you got a baby, but why am I holding it? Big boys hold their own cups. Why
Is
you?
he just sucking on it?
Yes, here, take this. Take your cheese. Cecilia, get out my spot before I beat you with something. Here. Cecilia, take your juice. Do you have one to pull up?
Yeah.
Okay. Cecilia, go drink that. Matter of fact, hold on. Here, hit him up before he go. Yeah, go ahead. Tyrell, go in my room and get my cell phone stand.
Come here, sister.
Are you talking about this one?
Yeah, baby.
This only one?
They
you
ready
have-
to laugh in this beach.
Okay.
You like playing with your life. You ain't trying to make it to C11, bro. You ain't got but 2 weeks. Literally. What's today? The 6th. You have 12 days before your birthday. 12. Do you want to make it to then?
Yeah.
Keep playing with me. You ain't. You hear me? You ain't gonna make it far.
I'm not gonna make it far because
This is first of all, mind your business.
Oh my
Because you're about to get
God.
smacked in the mouth. It says leave me alone.
Mom.
But
I would say don't act like you didn't hear that.
I didn't.
But I know.
I'm gonna act. What you mean act like, girl? That ain't no act. It's fact. I'm not doing this shit.
what is you want to do?
Oh yeah.
I saw a car fail without this and now he's sticking my tongue at me.
What? Tell me about you. I don't know how to tell you about me.
Teal?
Tell. T-E-A-L.
That's teal. Yeah, what?
Tell me about you. Somebody told
How
me
about
I
you
was like,
purple me about
no,
you?
you didn't. Walk past me in the grocery store. And then turn around and hit me up on tag.
Y'all share the same room.
Hold on. I'm about to roll his ass up real good.
Mom.
Didn't you walk clean past me in Food Lion the other day? If you couldn't speak then, why are you speaking now? Directly past me. Head nod, nothing. Some what's up, juicy?
Oh,
Nothing. The same energy you had in Food Lion. Didn't I tell y'all? I said I just walked past somebody I know and they did not speak to me, but they gonna go say hi on the app. I ain't lying. That shit used to be so weird. What's up? You 37. What's going on, boo? That body is hot. What's going on, boo? How are you? I am well in yourself. I'm not your boo though. I want to get my motherfucking eyebrows arched. And the bitch was mad. She's like, she's not here. When she come back the afternoon, bitch, what time of afternoon? I don't know. You just come back and see. Oh, okay.
That's some bitch behavior.
Let's exchange numbers. I'm not exchanging numbers with you, bro. You 50. Man, what's wrong with you?
He need Viagra.
Pop. Saul's right though.
He might not.
Saul's right though.
He might not. Okay, so then we got this other dude. This one 56 for real, and I don't know him. I knew he was in his 50s because when I met him when I was in my 20s, and that's been 20 years. Or that's been almost 20 years ago. Because when I met him, I was like 24, and I'm almost 40, so that's been almost 20 years ago.
That's about 15.
24, 40.
Right.
Almost 20 years ago. Under 5 years. Still 15, 20 years ago. And I ain't fucking with him neither. You know, so let's exchange numbers. I'm not, because you was a liar when I knew you then.
Oh.
Because you promised to buy me a coat.
Oh.
And you never did.
And you still cold
And that part.
on them bitches. That's what you need to talk about.
I did. Last
Nigga,
time he tried to hit me up, and he was like, well, buying you a coat ain't nothing. What's up? Blah, blah, blah. Okay, well, guess what?
Still ain't getting no coat.
I won't give him a chance to. I said it was good. He told me some long, lonely without you, honestly. Whatever. Since your day was long and lonely without me. I hear you talking. Boy, you was breathing before you ran across my profile. You weren't lonely then, so you ain't lonely now.
On them bitch.
Really? I find that hard to believe.
Me too.
Niggas be like, I missed you. You ain't miss me.
With no grease.
The grease on.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. I plugged it up.
Oh.
I know what I'm doing over here. I'm gonna need both of y'all. to
I ain't
do
lying.
y'all
I ain't lying. We
business.
all up in that bowl like, hold on, man. You don't see no chicken frying, man.
I gotta make sure my grease hot enough. Nobody care about the bitch. No, I don't want to. I want to use my Wi-Fi.
You Wi-Fi?
My Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
Console. No.
Alright, I'm done. I'm gone. Love you.
Love you too.
Deuces.
Chucking up. Chucking up the pieces. Oh. What the fuck y'all doing? Oh shit. I'm about to get a chunk like a bitch. Hey Siri, text Jig, I'm at home. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. This bitch don't work, she don't listen no more.
What is this? Is this
Oh, that's why, cause somehow I keep being connected to somebody fucking Bluetooth.
Probably, man.
No, the Kelly's.
Yeah.
Ain't nobody joining my stream. These people ain't fucking with me.
Yeah, I was on that bitch for 3 hours. I said, oh no, this time consuming. Just sitting there.
And if now don't nobody come in and start talking to me after a while, I just go.
Yeah, that was like, oh my goodness.
That's why like, where you be at? Be like, y'all don't show me no love. What I'm gonna come in here for if ain't nobody gonna talk to me? I need to go live on TikTok. Last time I was on here and I had versus Buzz, I kept ignoring him. And he just, yeah.
You did what?
He just kept, he hung up because I kept ignoring him. Who the fuck is these people? Stepper is on here. I ain't see Stepper in the minute. Well, ran down. I'm like, I ain't gonna let him. I just wanted to say hi. No, we gonna do a minute. I'll do 2 minutes. The in between. Let's see if he answers. What the fuck am I walking?
What you doing, the date thing?
I versus somebody. See if they gonna answer. What up? How you been? Because I got on, I was like, oh shit, step alive. It's normal business hours. Let me say hi. Normally can't catch your ass, but in the middle of the night.
I'm fucking dead. I don't go live at night.
Hey, I don't be going live like that at all. So I'm trying to get better. I used to be up here, but like I told motherfuckers, they don't show no love. Maybe I'm too erratic. I don't know.
Probably.
I mean, I'd be more consistent if motherfuckers was consistent with me.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Why you say that? You can't. I could be telling the truth. How you gonna do me like that?
The cat be real.
Man, not for real, man. Ain't nobody consistent with me. I used to be up here all the time. I was consistent at one point in time, and I knew a lot of my devices and shit was broke. I might be a little bit better now. I done got some of my shit in order. We gonna see. Look, don't make that face.
Yeah, we gonna see.
We gonna see. I'ma try. Like now, I've been on this bitch. I ain't gonna lie, about got 7 minutes. I ain't got nobody in my life. I don't have patience like that. So they got about a good 12 and a half minutes, and then I'm gonna be gone if don't nobody find this bitch.
You look good on no makeup. You know my nigga, no makeup.
That's my hype man in the back. Don't pay her no man.
Ask them where the vagina's at.
Lord have mercy. She said, "What the pussy at?" That's what she said. Ain't no vagina.
Shit, I don't know.
He said, "He don't know."
Damn. Who is that?
Stepper. I don't know if you know him.
No, I don't think he's a stepper.
Yeah, I don't know either. I stay out of trouble. I used to play matchmaker and shit and put people up with people. I don't do that shit no more. Y'all find y'all own motherfucking troubles. Like, dead ass. I ain't got no time for it. Hello. Everything. 2 times everything. Let me make sure I see it right. How are you? How long you been up here, Stepper?
Shit, not that long.
Me neither. I can't complain. I'm doing good. I'm about to sit here and fry this chicken at 10 o'clock at night. Well, it's 9 o'clock, but by the time I get finished. I want some honey garlic chicken, and I want to fix it myself. I could go order, but it's not going to be how it is if I fix it.
What up?
So, I'm about to...
No, the hell I don't know, because I ain't even been to the trash can.
Sit here and smoke these blunts. My grease should be hot enough like I'm gonna go in the blunt.
My it's not.
Did you go, Bo?
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
Fuck no.
Oh, Lord. You don't vote at all, you just won't vote in this election.
I just didn't vote.